If you've ever wanted to turn simple text into a professional looking video in just a few minutes, then this tutorial is going to be a game changer. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Invideo AI's text to video tool, step by step, from creating your account to exporting your final video. Stay with me till the end, because once you learn this workflow, you'll be able to produce stunning videos with almost zero effort. Let's get started. First, head over to Invideo AI and click the sign up button at the top right. The fastest way to register is by choosing Join with Google. Select your email, confirm your name, and hit Continue. When Invideo asks you, let us know you better, just choose Content Creator, enter your birth year, and you're in. That's all it takes to set up your account. Now it's time to start your first project. Invideo will ask what type of video you want to create. Here, choose Explainer Video, then set your desired length. For example, 3 minutes is a solid choice for most informational content. After that, type in your topic and add a short description of what the video should cover. This helps the AI generate a script and visuals that match your intent. Next, you'll customize your media and audio settings. Invideo gives you multiple options. You can use AI-generated clips, AI-generated images, or pick from their huge library of stock media. The demo chooses stock footage, but feel free to experiment depending on your style. After selecting your visuals, choose background music. Something clean and professional works great. Also, make sure your language is set to English and you can leave the other fields blank. Now you're ready for the fun part. Click Generate My Video. In a few moments, Invideo will show you a full preview of the AI created video. Here you can adjust the style, such as switching to a minimalist look and tweak the pacing to normal or faster depending on your content. Using the media, music, script, and settings tabs, you can perform on-the-fly edits just by typing simple commands or replacing elements. It's incredibly intuitive. Once your video looks exactly how you want it, give everything a final review. Make any last-minute script edits, swap out a clip, or fine-tune the audio if needed. When you're satisfied, hit export, and your AI-generated video is ready to download and share. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Invideo AI's text to video tool from account setup to final render. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more AI tool guides, and drop a comment if you want a deeper advanced tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.